Okay, hello, everybody. It is Myrna Lane Hippolyte, your friendly neighborhood wealth coach, financial wellness coach. For those of you who don't know me, I am a financial wellness coach, and I really focus on helping powerhouse women build wealth by investing in the stock market, even if they've never invested in the stock market before. So I'm really passionate about the stock market as an avenue for us as women to build wealth. And what I found is that many women do not invest because they're simply afraid. They have a fear. Now, do you want to live with that fear in your life and just be fearful? Or do you want to have regret, fear or regret? Because not investing in the stock market will definitely lead to regret because it can position you for much better. So I want to invite you to the Investing Happy Hour. It's going to be a holiday edition that I am hosting this coming Thursday at 7:30 p.m. Eastern. Now, this is going to be the last Investing Happy Hour of the 2024 year. Now, if you look back at the beginning of 2024, did you tell yourself that you were going to be looking at investing? Were you going to do something with your money, make the most of your money, and nothing ever happened? Or you've been telling yourself, yeah, I got to do this. I know I have to do it, but you haven't done it. Now is the time. It is not too late for you to position yourself for wealth in the stock market for 2025. So, the Investing Happy Hour, we are going to cover a number of things. I'm going to cover your investor persona because not everybody should be investing in the same thing. It's kind of like food preferences. Some people like spicy food, some people are vegan. You need to understand what your preferences are and your risk tolerance is before you jump in wildly into the stock market. So we're going to talk about that so you can find out what type of investor you are. Number two, we're going to talk about the basic terminology, right? You hear terms thrown out all the time and don't know what they mean. Index fund, ETF, NASDAQ. We're going to talk about those basic terms and what they mean because sometimes if you don't understand a language, right? If you've ever learned a language, outside of English, a foreign language, and it ends up being, completely foreign to you until you start learning the basics of the language. So we're going to do that on Thursday night, give you the basic terminology and give you enough to get started. I've had people hop off the happy hour and start to invest, at least because they have the tools and they can actually start and understand some of the terminology, and that has prompted them to want to learn more and to become more active investors. So this is what we're going to cover during the Investing Happy Hour. And because it is the holiday edition, we are going to talk about gifts that you can give to yourself and to your loved ones that will keep on giving. Gifts that you can give to these people that are near and dear to your heart that will keep on giving beyond the money that you give them initially. So something that will multiply and grow over time and help them build wealth. Who doesn't want to learn about that? You want to help your loved ones. You don't want to just give, your kids toys or gifts that won't last, that don't appreciate and value. You want to be able to give them gifts that will set them up to be better and to have generational wealth moving forward. Who doesn't want to learn how to make money without having to work? Right? You can do that. Make money without work. That's a beautiful thing. And see your money grow in a much better position. So I'm inviting you to join the Investing Happy Hour. If you have not signed up, there's still time to save your spot. It all goes down Thursday night at 7:30 p.m. Eastern. The link to register is in the comments. I hope to see all of you there to sign up, register, because it is going to be a good time. But we are also going to learn about investing, the basics of investing in the stock market. If you have not done this, if you're not doing this, you need to be on this call. You need to be in this happy hour because we are going to talk about investing in the stock market in a fun way. All right. Well, I do hope to see you on Thursday evening. There's still a chance to sign up, save your spot, and I'll see you there. Good night, everybody.